Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit multiple camera for your interview, for your podcast, for your YouTube videos, podcasts mainly, and interviews. So we're going to just dive right into it. And we are on our Premiere Pro right now. We have the footage that we are going to be using. The first is the camera A. The camera A has our full audio in it, and it has both speakers. So how I did this was I just merged these two together because these videos are from Riverside. So I merged these two together, put a stroke in between, exported it, and I have this camera angle. Okay, it's really a camera angle, but yeah, that's what it is. So what I'm going to be doing is now that I have my videos here, I would make sure that I drag my first video that has the full audio to the first place. Okay, so that should be my camera A. Try to rename your footage so they have these names, camera A, B, and C. It just helps you become organized and helps Premiere Pro to read your videos better. So now you select this tree, right click, come to create multi-camera source sequence. Synchronize point is from in point, leave it as that, meaning at the point where they're all going to start. So the video is going to start at the same place because they are synchronized. And I'm going to come to move source clips to process clips. I'm leaving this way. It's just going to create a bin or a folder in Premiere Pro and put the footage in it. So source sequence settings. So this is asking where I want to get my audio from, and my audio, I want to get it from camera 1. So, and this is camera 1. So that is why you have to drag your camera, especially the camera with the full audio, to the first place. So create names. I'm going to say camera names, and raise camera names, use track names, use clip names. I'm going to be using clip names. Okay, so after that, I just click OK. And here I have my multi-camera, and here I have my process clips, and I'm just going to double tap on that. Now I have my you can see it has created a multiple camera view here, and this is how you actually edit it, because this is not where we're going to how you edit your multiple camera video. So you just click and drag this sequence into your timeline. And once you've done that, inside this nested sequence is like, if you click on it, you're going to see all your other views, all the other camera angles that you have. So what we want to do is to toggle on this multi-camera view. And in case you don't find it here, just come to this plus button and look for this icon. Just click on the plus button, find it, you can see it here, and click and drag it to bring it out. So once it is blue, that means you are using it. So now that we have this, the next thing you want to do is to start editing. And how you do that is simply, once a particular speaker is speaking, you want to use your mouse, tap on the video so that it automatically changes the video to that one that you just clicked now, if you understand that. So now I'm going to click my play button. See, this is where I started from, and I was the one that I started to talk first, right? So now what I will do is tap on this. You can see whichever video has the yellow outline on it is the one that will show here, right here where this particular one is showing. Okay, so just right beside it, whichever one has the yellow outline is the one that will show. So once I click on it and I hit play, so now I'm clicking on this. So and quick one about simply because we're talking about her, so it's the right time to show her. So if you want to show another view, use your mouse. So I can constantly change the view. I can constantly change the view, turn their content into predictable simply by clicking the without relying on AdSense particular video that I want from this place. She's also the founder of Creators for Change, a philanthropy podcast. So I'm really not doing the right thing here. I'm not doing it as I would if I were editing. I'm just showing you how to do it.
Creators.
So you can change the view from the...
I'll hand over the mic to you right now.
That's a great question, and I will answer.
Okay, so we're just going to stop here. Now, if you look on your timeline, you're going to see you have different cuts automatically done for you in Premiere Pro. Okay, if I turn off this multi-camera view, you're going to see if you play your video, at every point where I was clicking one part of each of the camera, it's changing the view. So that is how you do your multi-camera editing in Premiere Pro. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share with someone. And I would also like you to know that this channel, we created it to teach as much as we can about video editing and video marketing. And we plan to use the ad revenue from this channel to support every single person who is willing to learn but does not have the resources to learn, you would be surprised to know that there are places where even people don't have good or even any internet connection at all. So we intend to use the ad revenue to support them. And how we do that is, as you learn here, we are able to grow the channel and eventually put whatever resources we get from the channel into that, right? So you learn, and as you learn, you help others to learn in the long run. So thank you for watching this video. Meanwhile, you can also check out the full podcast, this particular video where we interviewed Ari, and she shared a lot about how she has helped business owners make 6 to 7 figures on YouTube. Okay, so you can also check out that video. Again, uh, like, share, subscribe. We're going to be dropping more helpful video about video editing and video marketing. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.